stuck on the login screen and can't get into your Instagram account. Let's fix that problem and get you back to sharing your world. First things first, let's tackle the most common culprit, your password. Double check that you're entering it correctly, paying close attention to capitalization, numbers, and any special characters. A misplaced dot or uppercase letter can be the difference between access and being locked out. If you're still unsure about your password, or if you suspect it might be compromised, it's time to use Instagram's built-in recovery options. Tap on the Forgot Password link right below the login fields. Instagram will usually give you the option to reset your password via your linked email address or phone number. Make sure to check your inbox, and sometimes even your spam folder, for the reset link. Once you receive the password reset instructions, follow them carefully to create a new, strong password to prevent future login issues. Consider saving your new password securely, perhaps in a password manager or a secure note on your device. Next, let's consider your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi or cellular signal can often prevent successful logins. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that makes a difference. You could also try toggling your airplane mode on for about 30 seconds and then off again, which refreshes your device's network connection. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, sometimes the app itself might be the problem. Try clearing the app's cache and data on your device. On most Android phones, you can do this through your phone settings, under apps, then Instagram, and then storage for iPhones. You might need to uninstall and then reinstall the Instagram app. Reinstalling the app ensures you have the latest version, which often includes bug fixes that could be preventing you from logging in after reinstalling. Try logging in again with your correct username and your newly reset password. And there you have it. By systematically working through these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Instagram account and get back to connecting with your community. Happy sharing.